need to mark large or heavy metal parts without moving them back to the workshop? Today we're showing two electric Dot-Peen marking machines from HeatSign, PE01 and PE02. Both models are electric Dot-Peen markers, designed for portable operation without an air compressor. The PE01 features a magnetic base that helps hold the machine firmly on steel surfaces during marking. It is suitable for large steel parts, fixed equipment, metal plates, and outdoor marking jobs. Large steel parts and outdoor marking. The PE02 comes with a stand, providing stable support and easier positioning for large workpieces. It is also suitable for outdoor marking, field work, and metal parts that are difficult to move. The finished mark stays readable for product identification, asset tracking, and industrial traceability. Both models can mark serial numbers, logos, VEN codes, asset IDs, and other traceability information. Need help choosing the right model? Contact HeatSign and send us your marking requirements.